I will run this squad here, 2 inches. Good run, boys. Good enough, actually. I will run this marked squad. I will run this marked squad 5 inches. Could you just pass me my measure?
Oh, yes.
Sorry, thank you.
There, I wouldn't pay attention.
That's right, don't I? My fault. I'm basically do what I did last time. So I'm going to be successful though. So I'm going to hit. I'm going to try and hit that. Does it get hot? No, it does not. Do I hit it? It moves 3 inches in that direction.
Two in a drop pod?
2 in a drop pod, I think. So, right.
I haven't killed a fucking thing.
Right.
By the way.
You killed a crisis?
Oh wait, no, I've killed a couple. I killed a crisis suit.
Okay, so
I've done a couple.
there's 2.
Two?
I don't think they're going to. Is AP 2 and strength 8.
Fine. Which is?
And the drop pod
Kill that too.
does not do anything.
Alright.
Now I'll do the smart missiles at that.
How's everything going out there?
Good.
Cool.
1 hit. 3 hits. 2 wounds. Armor saves.
Good.
Good, right.
I guess no one else showed up to play a game?
The second Riptide here will do the same thing.
It was spoken for.
Doesn't overheat. Still dropping it on that guy. And so it's 5 in that direction. I think that is only the drop pod. 5. Is it even the drop pod?
You can drop
I
on.
think
I'm
it
not
is.
gonna. I don't care.
So it glances the drop pod.
Alright.
And now his smart missiles into that squad. That hit because 2 wounds. 2's done.
One more die's dead.
Okay, so
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah.
Boop. This tray's full of dead dudes.
And now I'm just going to shoot for the I'm going to still put that one in and try and pick up the drop pod. Does it overheat? This is from the last guy. No, it doesn't. Moves 4 inches, which is possibly going to pick up the other drop pod. So, 4, yeah, that one drop pod solidly, nothing else. Nothing. Now the smart missiles onto the chap. 4 hits because it was on the same chap. 3 wounds.
And them all.
Okay, so he comes
Thank you.
across. I'm going to shoot this guy and him, the lone guy here, which is moving through cover. So the missile pod first hits, and then everybody else. Well, those 2 are shooting at him, and this is a squad of 5, and that's a squad of 2. The 2 missile pods will shoot at the squad of 2, and everybody else will shoot at the squad of 5. So far nothing with that, with my 2 with my missile pods. Now I've got 3, moving on 2. 2 wounds with a.
Nice here. 2 wounds, you said?
Yeah, and you get your armor save.
Armor saves. One didn't make it, feel no pain. He didn't make it,
Okay, so he's gone.
Was that him?
Yeah, so the plasma guy is not. Plasma guy has nothing to shoot at now because that's been killed. I said the 2 missile pods onto those 2, and then everything else onto there, other than the plasma guy. So the missile pods, there's going to be 8 shots in total. 6 hits. And a bit of 1. 5 wounds on the 3-man squad? 2-man squad.
2?
5 wounds on the 2-man squad.
Alright, 2 didn't make it already. 3 didn't make it. Let's see if I can roll 3, feeling the pains. 1, so 2 dead.
So this was the squad. There was a squad of 2 and a squad of 5.
2 and 5.
2 and 5, right. Okay. This is Shadow Sun. Hit you twice. Wounded you twice with no armor saves or feel no pain. So that's 2 removed. I know.
I'm checked out, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just trying to be a good sport, man.
Yeah, I understand. I've had a.
At this point, it's just going through the motions for me. I don't have anything to do damage really. So I've been texting and shit. And Bill's doing everything to move my models. He's doing everything but rolling the saves. Just going to finishing it out.
That's 7 wounds.
What?
7 armor saves on
7? Alright, there's 3. 3 good. 3 more good. I got 1 more to roll. Good.
Troops left in here.
Yes, sir. There's Devastators.
There's Devastators squad in there, is there?
Yep. 5 man. Nothing. That's this squad right here.
Okay.
He won't have to.
I'm gonna do my jump pack moves. This one.
You got the range.
7. This one. 7. Come all the way. This guy's gonna do a stupid move, isn't he? No, he's got 9. That's fine. Ah, 3. Well done, boys. 3. That one. 4. That one. 5. Still really clear that, but that one nothing. You know, I think I'm just going to leave them there.
There's not much going on, man.
Oh, maybe not quite there. Maybe I'll move them.
I would just start thinking about where you need to be to
for the next turn. Yeah, I know. Well, I've got there.
Because
I've certainly got something here.
You're fairly safe when it comes to me hurting any of your stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Unless you were to be in that corner, I could get a charge with the Dreadnought or something.
Which you may do, actually. I've actually basically let you in with a charge with the Dreadnought on one of those Riptides.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's your turn 4.
Alrighty, I have...
You have a Dreadnought definitely to come in.
1, 2, 3.
And I have 3.
1, 2, 3. So...
You get a point, I think?
I think 1. Alright, Dreadnought's definitely coming in, because it's that turn. Oh, this is your scatter. Alright.
Okay. 10 in that direction.
Decided to get Bill all riled up.
There's nothing I can do to rile anything. He is thoroughly beat the shit out of him. Dreadnought. inches. I can't see you anything. You're not going to get charged or anything. Do you mind handing me them guys, Bill?
Which guys? Oh, these guys.
Yeah.
Sorry. Certainly.
Very cool. 5 inches. It is funny hearing them out there and just kind of being like, what are they talking about? You see like little pieces of them. Oops, sorry. All right, that's about it for me. Oh, bike. It's just gonna go flat out anyway.
Okay, do you want to just flat out it now?
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, shooting Dreadnought into the squad. I think 4 is about the best.
I
Maybe
think you can get 5.
5.
You can get 5.
Let's see. Look at Bill giving me a handout.
No, it's, I'm giving you what it is.
It's 5.
What's the AP on it?
I think it's 4.
I think they're all dead then.
Is it a heavy flamer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 4. Yeah, because it's
Heavy flamers are 5.4.
yeah, they're reversed like yeah.
Regular flamers are 4.5.
Yay! Secondary point. Looking up, you're screwed.
yeah.
Yeah. That lasted long, didn't it? Yeah. All right. This drop pod into him. 2 hits, 6s, 1. Armor.
Oh, right.
You can roll 1.
I've got 1.
You roll 1.
Hey, Jesse, you're...
Jesse's my good luck.
Yeah,
totem.
Jesse is your good
You
luck
should have
totem.
stayed in the room. This would
Yeah.
have been a game. All right. We'll go. Which one has a wound on him?
None of those was... That one's has
I
2.
thought I did wounds to
Did
one.
you?
I did wounds to one of them.
Did you? Okay, I missed the
I might not have. It's okay. Don't worry about
You
it.
nominate a model and I'll stick
No,
a
that's
dice on it.
fine. I'm not going to do that. I can't remember.
I've got a feeling you may have done, so let's do that.
Okay, well, these 2 drop pods are going to shoot them. I could have sworn I did
Yeah,
one to one
that's
in
fine.
here, and I know I did the one to
Yeah.
there. So 2 hits.
You got 1 on that. You got 2 on that one.
Yeah. And then nothing. The bolters. 2, 3, 4, let's see. Oh, there's 5 guys. There's all my 6s. 6s. Nothing. This last drop pod, same guy. Nothing. That squad's gonna shoot into your suit squad. Couple pop shot. Actually, sorry, I forgot about the Razorback. Heavy bolter,
Okay.
same guy I was shooting at with all everything
Yeah.
else. Rerolls. Don't bother that. Nothing. The squad into them. 2 bolters. That's always gonna be in range. 2 hits. Their toughness 5.
Their toughness 4.
Toughness 4, so I need 4s. Nope, nothing. Good to go.
Yeah, so much for good luck.
Yeah, I don't have anything left.
Before it gets worse.
No, you're good. It can't get any worse. The only way it can get worse is if this table collapsed. That's the only way it's gonna get worse.
It's
None of that. None of that now.
But I'm just saying that's the only way to get worse. Alrighty. Assault phase. Nothing. Shooting done. Assault is done, and it is. It will not die time. That drop pod right here. No. The Razorback. Do I still have a help point on there?
you have a help point showing on there.
Yeah. No. All right, they're good. Anything? That one doesn't have anything on it, right?
No.
Okay, well, I am done. It is your turn. So turn 5.
This guy is going to overcharge his big weapon. This one is going to take a hull point, a wound, and this one is going to overcharge his big weapon. So he is taking a wound. This guy is going to